Call the CENTEGIX CrisisAlert system. Georgia officials say it helps save lives.
It's the same system the Green Bay Area Public School District installed a year ago. Brittany Schmidt checks in with the district to see how they feel about the system now, 1 year into its use.
The Green Bay Area Public School District became the first one in the state in 2023 to install CENTEGIX CrisisAlert system in all of its schools. The district safety and security manager, Chris Collar, says it's a system the schools utilize often.
I believe that feedback I've gotten from staff and administrators is that it's nice to have this system when the teachers need help, they can push the button and the administrators or other responders get notified and can respond quickly. And then the other parts of the system that we use when we put our building into different security protocols.
The most severe being an intruder lockdown. The CrisisAlert system has several features, but the most notable is the use of strobe lights throughout the school. The flashing lights are color-coded based on the emergency and make it easier to alert classrooms where noise is inevitable, like gym or band class. Staff members have badges to sound the alarm. It's as simple as pushing a button to quickly communicate with the entire school so everyone can follow safety procedures. It's the same system Georgia officials credit with saving lives earlier this week.
That is so good to hear.
Cherie Bawdy, a parent in the district, relieved to hear Green Bay schools have the same system.
It is so reassuring. I'm glad you're doing this segment and people will get to know and they'll feel more confident.
This gives us an opportunity to get our safety protocols and information to our staff and students as fast as possible. When you activate the button, within a couple of seconds, it's going throughout the entire building. Everybody's aware of what happens because of the lights and stuff going on. So I feel good about it.
Collar says the system continues to operate as planned. The only change they've made since installation is adjusting the color used for some alerts to prevent confusion.
There was yellow and green, and you know, when you don't see them a lot, they could look similar. If you ran one and then ran the other one, you could tell the difference, but in that moment, we don't want people to be confused, so we didn't want to change it in the middle of the school year. We wanted to finish it out, and then when the school year is over, we opted to change the colors.
This is just one of several security features and protocols used within the district to keep kids, teachers, and staff safe. In Green Bay, Brittany Schmidt, Action 2 News.